Okay guys, sorry I'm coming to you to tell you about a little after repair. Couldn't show you while I was doing it. This is a Cobalt 2008, same thing as a G5. Came in with a PO 128. So I changed the thermostat out, which is located right here. I don't know if you can see it right there. Okay. After I changed the thermostat, I went in the car to start it. It would not start. It would not crank. No contact to the starter. Nothing. So I checked the relay for the starter, which is right here. I had a positive. The negative was very weak. I had no signal from the key and the other wire going to the starter. When I jump it, it worked. I decided therefore to put my scan tool on. And I got a no communication TCM, no communication steering module, and a PO615 starter relay circuit. Okay, now I watched a couple of videos on YouTube here, and I seen some guys talking about a no communication with a TCM, which is this right here. They added a ground from here to the shock tower. So I took an alligator clip and I did that. I got a spark here. Poof. Checked with my scan tool. I had communication with the TCM. Okay, but the car still wouldn't start. So I'm looking. Right here underneath the car. This might help some of you guys out there. But right here, under the car, there's a ground. A main ground. And on the side, connected to the main ground, there's about 5 or 6 other grounds. And apparently all those grounds are for all those things. The TCM, the starter relay, the steering control module relay, and also I did a test. I unplugged the ground completely, and I had no communication to the computer either for the ECM. So I took it apart, and I'll show you what I found.